weather message. The National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Allen County in northeastern Indiana, southeastern Delaware Cobb County in northeastern Indiana, northwestern Defiance County in northwestern Ohio, northwestern Paulding County in west central Ohio, until 7:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 6:42 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Grabille, or 9 miles southwest of Hicksville, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Hicksville, Antwerp, Grabille, St. Joe, Leoche-Darville, Concord, Newville, Cecil, Harlan, Spencerville in DeKalb County, Cuba, St. Joe, and Mark Center. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time for the following county: Defiance, Ohio,